I would say that the most memorable thing that I learned from football is how to face failure and the right mindset uh, to face failure. And what I mean is that it's very important to have a positive mindset when you fail, and to take failure as something that is needed for success. I feel like what I learned from football, from the many failures that we face along our journey, was how to transform that failure into motivation for us to succeed in the future. And I would say that's probably the most important thing I learned from football.